Hello everyone, in this video I will be trying the ChatGPT code interpreter. It's a lovely feature that you can find on ChatGPT Plus users. Okay, as you can see here, when you log on the Plus users, you click on ChatGPT 4. From here, you choose code interpreter as I got it here, and I'm gonna ask it to do something for me from this picture. I'm going to ask it to extract the text from this picture here. Okay, you can say extract the text from the picture. Enter. Look here. Can you see it? Wow, it's so nice. Let's see all African country by dates of independence. Okay. It's even putting the country from gain its independence. Nice. Okay, it's done. It's not all. There are 54 countries. Ask code interpreter now is add it as in nanny animated graphic order. I can say not in gift, but MP4. Enter. So I'm gonna ask it to create a video for me. This is so good. So you can do a lot of things with this feature. A lot of things. Look what we got. Look this. So nice. Look this.